It is back to school tomorrow, so we are making a back to school emergency kit for a middle school girl. This little wet brush is perfect to add for when you need to brush your hair after gym class or pull it up and with some hair ties. So we've added hair ties, the mini brush, small flossers, Kleenex, pocket pads, which I didn't even know was a thing. You need some lip balm. This is a face mist, a Tide stain pen, great idea, mascara, pimple patches, hand wipes, and a little mirror, and of course like a bag to put them in. Hopefully this is all gonna fit in this bag that we already have. So here you go. If you have a middle school daughter, middle school granddaughter, this is a great idea to be ready for all the things that middle school life can throw at you during the day.